Assalamualaikum dear viewers, this is a Samsung washing machine. Customer they said they use it for a long time, then I have checked, so I finally found this PCB board spoil. So if this PCB board is the discontinue or not available, you can use this universal PCB board. It's very easy to install and long lasting. So see, I'm going to change the universal PCB board. So already I have connected. So now testing, drain motor is working and water inlet valve also working. Now testing the spin mode. Yeah, spin mode also it's working fine. So this is the diagram, very easy to install. So it will be like this. You have to connect it. There's double side tap. Yeah, this is the final looks and everything is working fine. So now need to use this button. So this is the problem, the main PCB has gone and this board is not available. That's why you can change the universal. Thank you.